All right, as you can see, we got the Z06. This is the spec I got. It's like the wine red. Wine red. The wheels are kind of golden, but as you can see, like they're a little dirty right now. They're a little dirty. Wine red. Spoilers like that. We got a little crack right there. I ain't gonna lie. But like, let's go to the inside of it real quick. All right, as you can see, tanning seats. I'm gonna put my backpack over there real quick. And we're just driving to the gym tonight, all right, y'all? All right, here we go. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the paddles too. It has like the up and the downshift paddles. But we have a 20-minute drive, y'all. We have literally a 20-minute drive. So yeah, I'm gonna see how fast we can get there. I ain't gonna lie. I need to make sure y'all can see the street, bro. I definitely do not got the best tripod for this. I'm gonna rev it for y'all. All right, so to rev it, you gotta upshift and downshift at the same time, like this, and then you can see the D, like the drive button, like flashing. And you can do it like while you're driving like that, and it puts it in like a neutral automatically. But like, nah, this car's honestly a W. I would prefer to have a Lamborghini. I like driving Lamborghinis more and like McLarens, because even though this car might be, I don't know if it's faster. I think it's the same, like it might be a little less or the same speed, but it's like, it looks just like a C8 though. That's the only thing about it. So if you want a C8, I would get this car. Like if you actually want a C8, I would get this car. But for me, I like seeing like, when you're driving a Lamborghini, you make people's days. Like people's days just be better by seeing your car. And that's what I like about them. Like when a kid sees your car, he's literally, you made his day. Like you probably changed his whole life. All right, but as you can see, we were driving in a pretty high gear right there. So like it wasn't making a lot of noise. Bro, I'm getting hit by every single red light possible. All right, this time I'm gonna roll down the window so y'all can really hear the engine, bro. I'm gonna let y'all really hear it. All right, I'm just gonna roll it down like that much. Yeah, that much. I ain't gonna lie, this car be burbling, making rumbling noises. Like it sounds so good. It literally sounds so good. Alright, we're about to enter the highway. It'd be a lot of cops at night, but I'm low-key gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna see what we can do on the highway. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, no, y'all gotta hear this. We're about to enter a tunnel right now. I'm gonna roll it down a little bit. Oh my God, it sounds so good, bro. It actually sounds so good. Yo. All right, I'm gonna go up now. Bro, no, this car in the tunnels sounds amazing, bro. Like you would not know like what type of car it is. Bro, I'm trying to get y'all like on the best angle possible. Like, let me know in the comment sections, is this angle good enough? Like, I really don't know. Oh, snap. And this car is pretty good if you're tall. Like, if you're a tall person, this car is really good and it's really comfortable compared to like an actual exotic car, I'll say. Like you could definitely like be way more comfortable in this car for like a longer ride. See, but like a Lamborghini, based on the seats that you got, your butt might hurt by the time you get to your destination. But it's a Lambo though, so it's okay. But the Z06, I feel like it's the perfect car for the person that wants that speed and that comfortability. And then you got like all the technology over here. You got CarPlay, Apple Maps, and the speakers. The speakers in this car are amazing, like actually amazing. All right, we're gonna push up. Also, if you switch the knob right here, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it puts it in different modes, and it's like a movie that plays right here. It's literally like a whole movie. So now we got it in track mode. As you can see, this car, like, you literally gap every car on the street with this. It sounds the best and is gapping anything besides the exotic car. I'm gonna be honest. All right, but yeah, my favorite mode is definitely Z mode, and you activate it by pressing this right here. This is like the loudest one, but track mode is definitely the fastest one, and like it makes the wheel like a lot looser. No, actually like a lot tighter, I would say. Alright, as you can see, on the highway, everything's pretty good. Everything's pretty good. I had to switch from the tripod to my hand because I feel like you guys were not able to see the street like that. And I feel like that's the whole point of the POV. But we got a pretty much like an open highway for a minute. I know y'all hear that, bro. Like, it sounds so good. This car can literally just sound so good some days. Some days it be quieter than others. It's weird. Alright. Bro, it just sounds so good, bro. Like, it's literally like the loudest car on the street. Literally the loudest car on the street. Like, on the day-to-day basis, no other car is louder than this. Like, when you're driving, when you're going to the gym, like, this is literally the perfect daily car. Like, if you want to have a car that you just drive every day, this car. I'll tell you this car right now. Alright, so right now, I have it in, alright, right here, the M button, that's basically manual, but I have it in, like, automatic, I'll say, but I'm gonna push up a little bit. I need a car wash so bad. Like, it literally was just raining. Now I got all this, like, I don't even know what you call that, bro. Like, the windows are just dirty. Windows are literally just dirty right now. Bro, I love the downshifts. The downshifts on this car are so aggressive. Like, every time you go down, it just sounds beautiful. I'm probably gonna roll it down the window so y'all can really hear it. No, if the top was off, because every Corvette, C8, Z06, if it's not convertible, you can still take the top off. It has like these buttons up here, but I don't. Yeah, I'm not doing that right now. It'd be too cold right now. But I'm gonna roll down the window so y'all can really hear it like a little bit more. I don't want y'all to hear the air though. Alright, should be good. Dang, I forgot about that. You guys can also see the miles per hour in the windshield. Kind of forgot that I was there. Is that a Hellcat? It was something. I don't know what car that is. It's like a Charger, Hellcat. I don't know the difference between those. All I know is, if bro try to race me, I dust him. Alright, so I gotta turn right. It's literally like 11 a.m. right now. No, 11 p.m. My fault. I don't know my time. When your car this loud, you really don't know. Like, you don't need to know the time. You just drive at any time. Look at that was corny. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, is my car going shift? It's in automatic. Oh, I need to switch hands. Had to switch hands real quick. Car was not shifting automatically. Alright, so we're officially 10 minutes away from the gym. See, it's a car behind me. Bro, he kind of moving a little fast. Why he moving like that? I might have to do it to him. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Doing that with one hand is kind of crazy. I'm not about to like try to dust him right now. I'm not feeling it. Now, if I had both my hands on the wheel right now, 100% would have done it. Wait, that was a Hellcat. Why is there so many Chargers out tonight? I'm about to say another one. What's up with these boys tonight? Alright, we got 5 more exits. until I'm at my exit.